Hi there everybody, it's Max here again with UMAX. Today we got a very special video for you. We are going to be unboxing Shining 3D's newest 3D scanner, the EinScan Rigil. This scanner is hybrid, it's portable, it's wireless, and it punches a lot higher than its price point might suggest. So let's see what all the hype is about. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started by opening this lovely case. It's light, it's compact, it's got everything you need to scan, whether it's out in the field or in the workshop. I think we're going to reach out for the scanner unit itself first. Touchscreen display, fully wireless, plenty of cameras, lights, and projectors for the scanner's various modes, and batteries go in the handle. Speaking of which, it comes with 2 sets of rechargeable batteries. You can expect to get around 3.5 to 4 hours for each set, for a total of up to 8 hours with the supplied pairs. Next we have a charger for the batteries. And the wall outlet for said charger. Next we have a male-to-male USB-C cable. This can be used to directly connect the scanner to a computer for data transfer. It can also be used to extend the battery of the scanner by connecting it to a power bank. Here we have the calibration board holder. As you might expect, this holds the included calibration board. And under here we have some markers. You don't always need markers with this scanner, but when you do, you'll have a couple thousand 3mm and 6mm markers. In here we have a packing list. We also have a microfiber cloth for cleaning off the screen and the lens of the scanner. A small thing, but very necessary for avoiding scratches. And the last thing in this pocket is a cord for the battery charger. Let's open this, and in here we have our calibration board. And if you don't know why you'd want to have a calibration board, well, once in a while your scanner will need to be calibrated, and when it does, you'll be happy that it can be done easily and quickly, anytime and any place. And lastly, we have a carrying strap for the case itself. And that's everything that EinScan Rigil comes with. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot about the EinScan Rigil. Stay tuned for more videos on the scanner, and if you're interested in your own scanner, make sure you head to umax.com for deals, free training, and accessories.